Hello everyone. In this video, I just wanted to go over the one assignment that you have due in O11 this week. So what you're going to be doing is responding on this research and critical thinking board by Thursday. So you're going to want to post and respond to somebody by Thursday. So the questions that we have here that you're going to be answering have to do with using the CRAP evaluation that we've been talking about in 101. So there is a copy of that document in 101 that goes over it. I think it's called Finding Articles Using CRAP. So you're going to want to look at that just to make sure that you're familiar with CRAP. And the questions here are, how are you going to use the CRAP standards, currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose to pick the best article for you to work with? So you've been given 4 articles. You can choose from those 4 articles over in 101. How are you going to use the standards to pick the best article for you to work with? Of the choices that you've been given. What strategies have you found to be most helpful in the process of finding and choosing sources? And how can you use critical thinking in the process of research and source evaluation? So 1 or 2 sentences answering these 3 bullet points is your discussion post, and then respond to a peer.